There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Hello everybody, and welcome to this monthly insider call for Kraitos and Kraitos X. My name is Dominik, and we will look through some settings, through some results. And if you have any questions, please just message them and put them into the chat or question and answer, so I can answer all of your questions. So let's just jump in so we don't waste any time. First of all, let's look here at some account. First of all, we will look here at an account that is live account, and it's running now since July 31st, 2023. 2 months ago, once we launched Kraitos X, we also added Kraitos X to this account. So this account is running really nice. And as you can see, we did today almost like 1%, 0.78%, and this month we are already up 2.60%. And last month we did like an amazing result. It did almost 10%, 9.48%, and this is what we're aiming for. We're aiming for like 10% a month between like Kraitos and Kraitos X, so that Kraitos does around 5% and Kraitos X does 5%, and on the same account this is up 10%. So the settings that we are running, there's been no change in the settings that we are running. We are running on Kraitos, especially we are running the same settings now for almost like a year. We didn't change anything whatsoever. I will show you these settings, and this is like the beauty of Kraitos. You don't have to like manage it, you don't have to change settings non-stop, but just let it run. And you will see here now the settings. So these are the settings that actually come like pre-installed, that they're like the default settings when you put Kraitos on your account. We are running 0.01 per thousand for trades. The only thing that like what I saw, it's like that it's better for somebody that like to have like a higher, like let's say initial lot size 0.01 per 2,500 or even more. Why? Because Kraitos makes the most money anyway on the managing trades, and if your initial lot size it's lower, then even though if the market makes like a big move against you, you'll not be in drawdown, but you will still do and make like really awesome profit. So my suggestion would be start with 0.01 per 2,000, and then you can even raise it. And I will also show you why I think that's like way better. So we are trading the same pairs: AUD CAD, NZD CAD, GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and NZD USD. Spread filter is set to 3. Minimum required distance between trades in pips, it's at 60. Decision in units, it's 30. Then we have cross directional out trade turned on. We have smart money only true, and we have quantum zone strategy also set to true. Initial trades take profit is set at 30 pips, trailing stop loss set to true and 10. Take profit on managing trades is the same, 30, true, and 10. Take profit at pivot levels, it's set to false. Here we also have it set at false. Relaxing after X many trades, we have it set here at 4. Equity protector on Kraitos, it's set at 25. And then max allowed lot size, I just divide the amount on the trading account with 15,000. So for this account, it's 0.15. Keep trading after equity protector is reached through 4 and then 10. So these are the settings for Kraitos. The Kraitos X settings are also like now, like for the last 3 months, I think, like completely the same, nothing changed. They're working really, really nice. So what are the settings? These are also like the settings that come when you like default settings. I'm trading 0.01 per thousand. Why? Because I have like a mini contract on this broker. If you don't have like a mini contract on your broker, then run Kraitos X 0.01 per 3,500 or like even higher 4,000 or 5,000, and I would run Kraitos X on accounts under 3,500. I will show you an account that we are like actually I'm like testing it, how it performs like on a $600 account, and I will also show you the results. Spread filter for gold, it's set I think to 100, but always here on the market watch side you can check what is the spread on your broker. So you can see here it's like 17. So if there's like any news and I don't want like the Kraitos X open any trades, the best thing is here that we set the spread to 25, a little bit higher that it's like usual, and you can see now it's like around 17, 25. So I'm just gonna keep it at 25. And then minimum required distance between trades in pips, it's 1,800. Decision units in pips, it's 1,300. Same candle trading. It's true. This is like more on an aggressive side, I would say. Smart money time frame. I'm using daily. Smart money confluence is set to false. Smart money only true, and quantum zone on strategy always have on gold set to false. Initial take profit, it's at 300 through and 150. Same goes for managing trades, 300 through and 150. Take profit at pivot levels false. Add to position, I have it here set to true, and I have it set to 250. And then I have like here relaxing after X many trades 5. Equity protector, I have it set at 10. Kraitos and Kraitos X, they look at the equity protector like separately. So that means if Kraitos X, it's 10% in drawdown, it's going to close out only Kraitos X trades. It's not going to touch Kraitos trades. And same goes for Kraitos. Max allowed lot size. Here I actually have my balance divided by 20,000. I don't want like big lot sizes on gold. And then keep trading after equity protector is reached. I have it set to false because if something happens in gold, I just want that it like stops trading and that it waits for me to come back to the charts and see if there is something to be changed. And then like here I have it 4 and chill out mode set to 5. So these are the settings that we are running on Kraitos and Kraitos X. There has like been no change whatsoever. Then one thing what I want to show you.
Trade confidently with Kraitos, your AI trading partner. Let Kraitos handle the markets while you focus on what matters most.
Now, I want to show you that I started like an account with like $600 where I'm running standard settings that you just saw now on Kraitos and on Kraitos X, the same settings that I showed you. I'm running also on this account. As you see, it started with $550. Right now, the account is sitting at $906. So I did like 64% in like a month and 2 weeks. So like month and a half. I will just keep this account running so we can see like how far this account is gonna go. Drawdown was like once a little bit bigger, 19%. It did this week already like 1.88%. So it's up 6% for the month. It is now bigger percentage because we're trading almost 0.01 per 500. Once the account grows to 1,000, it's gonna get slower because the lot size is only gonna increase where the account hits 2,000. But anyway, like performance really amazing. And you can see that most of the profit came from Kraitos, and I'm only trading gold, AUD USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD on this account. I don't have like the settings on this computer for the smaller accounts, where I'm only trading Euro USD and GBP USD. But I want to show you, like I already shared with you like a few times, this account, and this is the account that I'm running all the pairs at the same time. I'm keeping the initial lot size really small, like 0.01 per 20,000 per 20K. Okay. And this is what I want to show you. Like, it's really important that you understand one thing, and this is like that Kraitos does the most profit on managing trades. Okay, not on the initial trade. So this is like where people always get like things confused, and they want to start with a big starting lot size. And that's wrong. Okay, I'm gonna tell you like that's completely wrong. And why is that wrong? Because like once, like every pair, no matter the pair in the forex market, is it gold, is it Euro USD, doesn't matter. Every pair has a potential to run 600, 700, 800, 1,500, 2,000 pips against you. Okay, and you have to be prepared for this type of moves. And with these settings that I'm running here, this is actually what I'm prepared for. It doesn't matter how much the market moves. I'm always on the safe side of the market. I'm trading here 0.01 per 20K. And also my max allowed lot size, it's only one lot. I divided like the balance, but with 20K. So I'm not going to change the max allowed lot size until it's like 40K. And even when it's going to be, the account is going to be 40K, I'm just going to increase the max lot size for 25%. So that means that it's gonna go from one, it's gonna go to only 1.25 lots, because I don't need like a big exposure. And you can see how amazing it's performing right now. On 28 pairs, we are like in 1.59% drawdown, so like nothing. I'm gonna refresh it. Maybe there's like some new data, because also I have to like change. Oh yeah, okay, it's 179, nothing major. But you can see here one like really interesting thing, and you can see here that it's doing 8.37%, 5%, 8%, and in April it did 23%, and we are already up for May 8.1%. So guys, this is like really amazing. Listen to me, go with the small initial lot size, and you will be super happy. And you can also see that like we are missing out, like, but for this like type of settings, you need at least like 15 to 20K on your account. I wouldn't go under this. But what you can see here is that like we're missing out like on a lot of profit, trading like only like 6 pairs. Okay, because even those 6 pairs, that they are like kind of like the best pairs for Kraitos, are actually not the, like, I would say they're actually not like the best pairs. Why are they not the best pairs? Because you never know how a pair is going to move. So that's like why it's better to trade more pairs with a smaller lot size. And I will prove that to you, because it's all in the numbers. And you can see here, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, Euro Swiss franc, they're the top 3 performing pairs, and they did like $2,000, $1,400. Then GBP USD is here. You can see 900, so it's on the fourth place. Then we have AUD JPY, Euro NZD, Swiss franc JPY, GBP CAD. Okay, USD JPY, gold. It's also performing also nice, trading 0.01 per 20K. CAD JPY, GBP NZD, Euro AUD, and then you can see Euro USD. It's down here. Then we have AUD USD. We have AUD CAD. We have USD CAD. We have so we have like, which pairs are we trading? We're trading GBP USD. We are trading Euro USD, NZD USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, AUD CAD. And you can see these pairs are good, but they're not performing as well as other pairs. Like, since we added all these things into Kraitos, like smart money entries, follow smart money, quantum zone strategy, and so on and so on and so on and so on. There's like a lot of potential pairs. We are also testing like some settings. I'm not gonna tell you about these settings, but you can figure them out yourself. Like, if you're gonna put in time and everything, and you can see here like a Kraitos account that we started like this year, a little bit like before like New Year's. But anyway, you can see here This account, it is on an more aggressive side. Drawdown was like once 45%, but that was it. Like usually it's like really low. But what you can see here, Kraitos did in 5 months, it did 203%, okay? 203% in 4 months. It did that, and this month we are already up 20%. Right now we are at 7% drawdown. But again, like you have like all the options like to tweak, to do everything that you want, and you can see that like results can be like beautiful and amazing. And you can see GBP, JPY, Swiss franc, JPY, Euro, NZD, GBP, NZD, GBP, CAD, GBP, USD, AUD, JPY, Euro, USD, like pairs that we like usually don't trade. And also here, the starting lot size, it's really small. So it's like really a lot of interesting things with Kraitos that you can do if you put your time in. And like people say, okay, I cannot do it Kraitos more than 5%. No, guys, you can do like even 100% a month if you know and learn how to use it. So Kraitos, it is like one of the best EAs out there, especially like for the price that you're paying for, like $149 a month. That's like, I would say, laughable amount of money that you and me are paying for like something like so special as Kraitos. Okay. So also there's like a lot of things also in the works for Kraitos. I'm not gonna tell you what we are working on, but I think it's gonna blow away your minds, and the results that you saw here, like 28%, it's gonna be like I think like soon really like a constant. But like not even like riskier, it's gonna be even less risk involved and so on. But yeah, to hear everything about like new Kraitos that is coming out, you should definitely come to the event in 18th of May to Zagreb, because there's gonna be a big unveiling. Before that, I'm not gonna talk about it what we're doing, but I'm telling you it's something that like the world never saw, and I'm telling you right now that people are gonna be like really standing in line to get into AP and get the new Kraitos, because some people already know, some people already, I showed them like the results with the backtest that we are like optimizing and doing everything now. And it's just like that I even said that I don't even think we should like give this to people, because it's like so powerful. And yeah, like just amazing things coming to Kraitos and Kraitos X. If you have any questions, please just put them into the chat. If there's like no questions, we will see each other again. We're gonna see each other on the 18th of May. That's gonna be the soonest, and then we're gonna have the next monthly insider call. It's gonna be, this is May, so it's gonna be June 3rd. It's gonna be the next insider call. Invite all the people to it, because I think then it's gonna be like really important that you are all on these Zoom calls, because new Kraitos telling you something special that nobody can even imagine what is gonna happen. So thank you guys for your patience. Thank you for your attendance. Everybody that was live with me, and also everybody that live watched the replay. Talk to you soon, and have a great trading month. Bye bye, guys.